Hi, welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be talking about the Maxi Cosi Mico 30. This is an infant car seat that goes from 4 to 30 pounds and up to 32 inches. The Mico 30 has self-wicking fabric, so it deodorizes and pulls moisture away from the skin to help keep your baby dry and comfortable. Additionally, you can easily remove the fabrics for cleaning without re-threading the harness. The fabrics are machine washable and dryer safe. You'll notice its contoured handle for an extra comfortable carry. It has an extra large canopy with a flip-out visor for maximum UV protection. It has their patented Air Protect side impact protection to keep your baby safe in a collision. You can use the Mico 30 directly with Maxi Cosi strollers or with a baby jogger or up a baby stroller using separate adapters to create a travel system for your newborn. The base itself has a one-click latch system for installation. It even has multiple recline positions to make sure your baby is safe. You can install the Mico 30 with or without the base, which is great for if you drive your own car or if you take cab rides often. We'll start by showing you the installation with the seatbelt and the base. To save yourself some time, make sure to adjust the recline position to ensure the car seat is level by pulling out the recline handle in the back and lifting or lowering the front of the base. Put the Mico 30 into the base momentarily and make sure the level line is parallel to the ground. Then remove the Mico 30 to install the base. Pull down the seatbelt and route it through the openings in the base, making sure that nothing gets twisted. Buckle the seatbelt. Push down on the base with one hand and pull out the slack of the shoulder strap with the other. Lock the vehicle's seatbelt by pulling out all the webbing and letting it ratchet back in. Check your installation, making sure that the base does not move more than 1 inch at the belt path. To use the latch method instead, begin by pressing the red release buttons to pull the latch connectors out from storage. Make sure the adjuster is on the right side of the base and extend the straps as needed. Place the base onto the seat. Attach the lower connectors to their respective latch anchors on each side of the base, making sure the strap is not twisted. Push down on the base with one hand and pull out the slack of the latch strap with the other. Check your installation. Once your base is installed with either method, secure your child into the Mico 30. Push the car seat down firmly to lock it to the base. You will hear a click when it's secure. When you arrive at your destination, remove the Mico 30 by sliding the base release handle up and lifting the car seat. As I mentioned earlier, you can install this car seat without the base, so we'll show you how to do that now. Begin by placing the Mico 30 directly onto the seat. Make sure the level line is parallel to the ground, adjusting if necessary. Pull down the vehicle seatbelt and route the lap portion through the car's seatbelt path underneath the clips. Pull the shoulder belt around the back and route it through the European belt clip. Lock off the vehicle seatbelt and pull out any remaining slack. Check your installation. Double check that the level line is parallel to the ground. We recommend this car seat to parents not only because of its safety features, but because of its convenience features, where this car seat is really easy to keep clean. So any mess your baby might throw at you, this car seat can handle it. Thanks for watching. If you want to shop this car seat or any other Maxi Cosi car seat, go to babycubby.com, where shipping over $25 is free. To learn more about the Maxi Cosi Priya 85 car seat, click here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see.